Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to be faux painting a PVC fence post to look like rusted wrought iron. We'll be needing matte black spray paint, a rust colored spray paint, and 3M Super 77 spray adhesive. To get started, base coat your fence piece with your rust colored spray paint. I'm using Rustoleum Satin Cinnamon, but any rust color will do. Once you've got good coverage, take the spray adhesive and coat the entire piece. You can go as heavy or as light as you want. This will give your parts a really grungy, old appearance, so don't be afraid to go too heavy to really sell the look. You can take a heat gun or hairdryer to your parts to help speed up the drying process, although it's not necessary to achieve this look. Once you're happy with the texture, coat your parts in the matte black. This coat doesn't have to be solid, as we want some of the rust undertones to peek through. Now that everything's dry, we're going back to our rust spray paint and just lightly dusting the part. Keep a distance of 18 to 25 inches from the piece to prevent too heavy an application. You can also add speckles of paint by gently pressing down on the cap until it sputters out. You may want to practice this before attempting it on your final piece. If you want, you can stop here, but if you're anything like me, you want to take it even further to sell the realness. Grab some burnt orange acrylic paint, a small amount of water, and a paintbrush. We're going to thin the paint so that it will drip and run down the part to create rust streaks. Add as few or as many as you like, and allow it to partially dry for 2 to 3 minutes, or just until it starts to take on a matte sheen. Once it's started to turn matte, take a spray bottle with water and wet down the piece. This will help break up the hard lines created by the drips and give it a more natural appearance. Allow the paint to dry and then give it a quick coat of sea glass spray paint. This will help blend the colors a bit more and give some depth to your final piece. Well, that's going to be it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit the notification bell to be alerted to the next time I put out a video. And until next time, happy haunting!